WhatsApp is like a magical mailbox that lets you talk to your family and friends no matter where they are. You can use it to send messages, pictures, and even talk to them using your voice, just like talking on the phone. Firstly, open WhatsApp and go to the chat box of the person you want to send a voice note to. Now, press and hold the microphone icon on the right hand side of the chat bar. You'll see a recording screen pop up. Speak your message into the microphone, and when you're finished, release the microphone icon. Your voice note will be automatically sent to your contact. And that's it. It's really that simple. You can also listen to the voice notes sent to you by tapping on the play button. If you want to delete a voice note, swipe it to the left and tap on the trash icon. Now you can stay connected with your loved ones in a more personal way by sending voice notes. Thank you for listening, and I hope you found this helpful.